So hey guys, what's going on? It's Patrick. So something that's been on my mind lately, and something that I kind of want to talk about, is the fact that me being HIV positive and being kind of, I guess you can say, newly diagnosed. For me, it's been a year and maybe a year and 2 months. So for me, it's been very new to me. And when I was first diagnosed, I was and still am under the insurance policy that I am. Just recently, between you and I, my YouTube followers and people who are watching, I have been thinking about, moving back home with my parents, maybe leaving my job, or even working with another organization. So for me, I'm very scared because of like the whole pre-existing condition thing. And I know the Affordable Care Act passed, but I think not until 2014 would I be protected. So I'm really scared right now. And maybe someone can give me some advice or talk to me about it. But this is what sucks, and I don't want to like to make it a negative thing, but these are things that I have to look at. People like myself who have diabetes, um, any condition that they have prior to obtaining new insurance, generally would be what's called a pre-existing condition, and you would have to wait here in America. If you're looking at this video from overseas, you have to wait from anywhere from like 6 months to a year to be covered by the insurance company. And during that time, I don't know if I've talked about this in my previous episodes, but healthcare. I mean, like being on a regimen for HIV meds, they can cost about $2,000 out of pocket. So it is a lot. It's a lot, and it is very stressful for me right now because it's like, what do I do? Because I don't know if I hop over like simultaneously, like from one, if I shut off my insurance now and get a new one simultaneously without a gap, will I not be considered having a pre-existing condition? These are things I have questions about. So I did a little quick video just to kind of ask around, see if anybody knew about it. But also to just kind of let these are the things that I go through, and this is something that's going on right now. And I'm kind of scared right now, to be honest with you. And that's why I wanted to do a quick video, because it is scary. It's like, how am I gonna be able to pay for my meds? If I get sick, am I gonna have insurance am I gonna be covered? So very scary. And I think a lot of us who have HIV or other conditions similar to it kind of get stuck at a job like that you don't like, because you have insurance, especially with the job market now, how slow it's going and how hard it is to get a job. You kind of get stuck staying at one that you don't want to be at because of the fact of insurance. And I'm not saying that's my situation, but for a lot of people that could be the case, because they can't just leave a job, especially when you're relying so much on the healthcare system. I myself, being HIV positive, I'm like 99.9% dependent on the healthcare system, or dependent on healthcare because of medication, because of my checkups, to follow up my labs when I get sick. So for me, I am dependent on that system. So whenever it gets to a point where I'm not getting coverage, or it could be coming out of my pocket more, it does scare me. So just thought I'd break that out there for you guys. Just food for thought. I mean, if any of you guys specialize in insurance or public health, and you kind of can give me some good news, let me know, because I really need that. And I mean, I think the job, I'm not sure, I'll find out tomorrow about where I'll be working at, how the insurance thing would work out, if it would start immediately or I would have to wait, and the whole pre-existing condition thing. But it is scary, and it's not fun. So anywho, I hope all of you guys are well. If you're in the DC area, we had the whole, what was it, Snowquester, that ended up being a no quester, because no snow hit the ground. Snow hit the ground this morning for a little bit, and then by noon it all washed away. So everybody closed down for the day for nothing. And I feel like at this point, meteorologists need to have a seat, and Miss Cleo needs to come out with her crystal ball and her 1-800 line and just give us like what she thinks is going to go down, because that's what they're pretty much doing. I feel sorry for the people that went out and got eggs, bacon, toilet paper. Funny thing is, on Sunday, let me double check because I don't like to have my facts wrong. As of right now, Sunday they're calling for Saturday they're calling for a high of 54. Sunday they're calling for a high of 61. So yeah, because we're really going to be snowed in for 2 days in 60-degree weather. I digress. So, but I hope you guys are safe. You are off the roads. better safe than sorry. Chance favors the prepared mind. So I hope all of you guys are ready, are doing well, and are ready for the good weather this weekend. I can't wait to hit the tennis courts. And our friends up in New York or in the northern area of the U.S. who are just getting the snow now. I hope you guys are doing well and just stay safe. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm working on a blog and I'm gonna do another video soon. But the whole healthcare thing kind of scares me. I don't like being dependent on others or systems, and this is kind of just the truth. And I am, and I'm stuck in this random situation. So. Other than that, guys, I'm doing well. I know I'm kind of like glazed over. I'm just exhausted. It's been a very long day, but take care, guys. I love you, and like me on my Facebook page. My twin sister did. She talks like this. Like when she gets mad, she talks like this. Like she claps and she talks. Like I hate that. I just did it. So, but like me on my Facebook page, www.facebook.com/pause life of Patrick, and then my blog, www.pauselifeofpatrick.wordpress.com. I really want to change that to just pauselifeofpatrick.com, but I don't know. I would hate to pay for something that doesn't gather that much interest, and I am a cheapie. So if you think it's going to go big, let me know. I can definitely change it, but that's why I tell you guys, message me, hit me up with ideas, thoughts, questions, all those good things, because for me, I do this for you. A little bit for me, but definitely for you. So if you look at the bottom of your screen, you will see the email addresses you guys can add me on, or not my email addresses, my Facebook page, and also my blog. And if you ever want to email me or just correspond with me, you need to touch base with me regarding anything, pauselifeofpatrick@gmail.com. So pauselifeofpatrick@gmail.com. You can reach me there as well. So I'll leave that on the sidebar. I'll start adding that in. But other than that, it is 12:16. I have to be up in the morning. I'm not excited about it. And I will get this video posted soon. So love you guys so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for the support. YouTube videos are going strong. I have 100 subscribers. For me, that's big, because for me, I consider myself a very awkward, kind of quirky person to some extent. So to be able to get that much love, in pretty much 3 months, I think that's amazing. To almost have 3,000 views in 3 months, for me, I feel like that's amazing. Almost having, I think tonight I hit 62, maybe 60, 61 Facebook likes. Again, I think that's amazing. The sky's the limit. I want to get 100 Facebook likes, so you guys definitely do that. And I want to hear your ideas. I mean, I've been thinking about doing a fundraiser, maybe like something kind of fun to raise some money for like a local organization, maybe HIV or AIDS local organization. Doing something fun, like I don't know, like Jello wrestling. Oh my gosh, my W's and R's. Jello wrestling, something like that. So I don't know. Give me some ideas, because I really want to do something fun that I start to do annually with maybe other people that have, other local people in this area that do like HIV, AIDS blogs. I'm not going to shout out their names. I will, like Justin. Call me, because I need you to help me out. So that was a shout out right there. So to do something with people like that, I think that'd be very fun, and it would gather a lot of interest. So any ideas, let me know. Any thoughts, concerns, message me on Facebook. You can even message me through YouTube, or you can email me. So hit me up. The sky's the limit. If again, I do this for you guys, and I love doing this. I've found a new love, I found a new passion, and I love being able to reach out to you guys and just have this dialogue and have this conversation that continues week to week. I'm not going to say day by day, every other week, month to month, year to year, down the road. And I love it. So with that being said, I'll wrap it up for real now. So love you guys. Stay safe. Stay positive. We always go through our bad things, our bad times, but just know that through all our bad things, we come back around and good comes back into our lives. Nothing that we can't handle is put in our lives. And the sun sets every day, but again, it rises every morning. So you can either wake up with the sun, or you can stay under your covers and just be defeated. There's no point in that. So this is Patrick, Pause Life with Patrick, signing off. I don't know what day it is, this Thursday. So love you guys so much. And again, thank you for all your support. Have a good night, guys. Later.